Now with my glove on and a rag, we begin to clean the filter housing, which is difficult to get to. And you can't see, so you just need to clean the outer edge of bad oil. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as you can just see decent metal, like so. And then you get your new filter, which is happily boxed in a blue box. Usually get some kind of protective plastic on it. Get that off. Pretty much there. Right. Doesn't matter if it's bad oil or new oil, as long as you lube the little rubber gasket up, should be alright. Well, usually in this case you'd fill the filter up first with oil, which I'm not going to do today. I'm just going to stick it straight in. If you can, make sure you thread this right as well, or you're in trouble. A couple of threads on it, and you go ahead and tighten that up. Hand tight as much as you can with your hand, and then get your oil filter wrench again. And just finish the tightening process off. Try not to crush your new filter. This is difficult with one hand, so you can appreciate it's going to take a while. Right, I'm just going to see if I can get it any tighter with my hand. Just one nip up with the pliers. Try it from a different angle. If they're messing about, it's just a bit difficult. Wrench around it. Try to get your wrench around it. Oh no. So you tighten it up. Just a little bit more for look. That'll do. Right, and then you get your trusty on rag. Just wipe any excess around the filter, between the seal and the filter. Wipe it off your sump if you can. Yep. Cleaning process. Just clean off whatever you can, as much as you can. There you go. Right, and there's your filter and your plug ready. Now all it means is fill it up with your brand new fully synthetic or semi-synthetic 530. On a higher mileage engine you're probably better with fully synthetic, it lasts a bit longer. But yeah, so I'll do another video for that one, so that'll be part 4. Sorry about so many parts, it's just where I am and how it is going to be difficult, so I might as well just do it in stages. Alright then, thank you, bye.